besties. Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. I feel like if you guys see this setup, you just know that it's that girl who doesn't have a tripod. I left my ring light at my aunt's house in Clean Mary's, so here we are. I hope you guys are good. I haven't done this in a while, but Kinelo challenged me to do Vlogtober with her, so believe you me, I'm going to be so consistent in Vlogtober. You guys are going to be shocked that it's actually me. Today we are unboxing something. Let me try set up my camera. So we're unboxing this baby right here. But for you guys, I'm not gonna unbox proper because I have to make an Instagram reel, and that is like the most important thing, understand? So I'm just gonna show you guys the contents of what's in this after I do my Instagram reel. There's load shedding, so I feel like I'll be back in like an hour to show you guys, but you guys won't feel the hour because there's load shedding. So my phone is like 40%. And if I make this Instagram reel and edit it, I don't think my battery will last that long because I also have to go out. So see you guys in a few. And I hope you guys are good. I'm actually so excited to be like making content again because it's been such a long time. I think I'm also going to braid my hair later on today because I want to try raindrop braids, but I feel like, how do you guys sleep with those things? You know, I have a headache already as it is because of the heat, so I don't know how you guys sleep with those raindrop braids. Anyway, let's go. Hey all, so excuse the messy hair. I'm about to braid my hair, but I just want to show you guys what I got from Avon. It's the next day. Yesterday was a mess. Like, I literally had to go places, then I had to make lip gloss for my client, then I had to pack for other clients, so I couldn't even be on my phone anymore. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys what we got from Avon. Yeah. Starting with this, so we have this Avon, I don't know if you can see it, it's like a body lotion type shit. Smells so good, guys. Smells good from the outside, but I haven't opened it yet. Then we have this Avon perfume as well. Far Away Beyond the Moon perfume. I just sprayed it now. Listen to me, this thing smells so expensive. It smells so good. Oh, the niggas finna be whiling and stuff. I'm joking. But it smells so good. It smells like really good. Yeah, let me show you guys what it looks like on the inside. I don't know, I'm gonna do that now because Guningi, and it's getting Guningi. Guys, you guys are gonna have to excuse the crust, hey? Excuse the crust. I'm gonna start braiding my hair today as well, so I'm gonna do it in this vlog. My finger is a bit sore. I don't know what I did to it, so I can't open this properly. Let me use my other fingers. But guys, like, my finger is injured, so it's really hard for me to open stuff of late. And also excuse that my nails are not done, but here is the perfume. When I tell you this honey smells like money. This honey smells like shmoney per. So yeah, you guys can go check out my Instagram to see what it actually looks like and to see like my review and stuff like that at fatally_off. Yeah, let's go to whatever I'm supposed to be doing on this vlog. I'm supposed to be braiding my hair, so let me start with that. Then I'm gonna meet my client. Guning. So it's like almost 12:30 and I'm about to start braiding my hair. Guys, I'm about to start braiding my hair. I'm gonna try raindrop braids, but I don't know how the girlies sleep with them. So if I feel like it's a bit too much, I'm just gonna put the beads at the end of my hair. Yeah, I'm gonna watch a video on TikTok just to see how they done. Dun. Let's get into it. Imagine I got my client to open these lines for me. Like, my client came to get her lip glosses, and I was like, oh, can you open lines? And she's like, yeah. And it's like, girl power, you know, let females support females. So she opened the lines for me. And let's see how it goes, guys. Let's see how it goes. Hey, let's see. I'm worried. Also, like, I'm fasting, so I'm really hungry right now, but glory to God.
Them other girls want me, but now you I want to know, She be not this kind thing with tomato, moo. Oh no. Now the little things you do, it make me no. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Oh baby, come. Oh girl, I want make me day. I feel like making you. Oh no. I feel like making you. Oh baby, I'm no.
Hi. How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm okay.
How's everything going?
Life is okay.
Yeah, I'm having fun in South Africa. I'm here at Wimpy.
You're not having fun. You're tired.
I'm here at Wimpy.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I haven't had Wimpy in a while.
When last did you have Wimpy?
The last time was 8 months ago.
8 months ago. Oh, that's...
When I went out to Dubai.
Same.
Serious?
Yeah, but not in Dubai. Not in Dubai. Tell them to subscribe.
You should subscribe to Faith Lee's channel. This is the best channel in the
universe.
In the universe.
Exactly. Thank you very much. Yeah.
You're welcome.
You won't regret it.
Yes, you won't regret it. She's very good.
People are lying. Stuff gets in their eyes.
No, I'm not lying.
Oh, you're not lying. You're telling the truth.
It's the best.
Pastors don't lie.
I'm not a pastor, though.
Soon to be pastors don't lie.
Hey.
Okay. We can't wait to see your pastoral journey and stuff. Yeah, so guys, I've been babysitting Pastor Mike and Bishop Emmanuel. No, I know your name. I will never forget your name, Bishop Emmanuel. I just need to find the title for you. Understand? We've been babysitting them whilst they're in SA.
He is a bishop.
These people are so bad because imagine I only met them yesterday and they knew him today.
Blessed assurance, Jesus is mine. Oh, what a foretaste of glory divine, heir of salvation, purchase of God, born of His Spirit, washed in His blood. See, this is my story.
Hi, Aiden.
This is my song,
Aiden. How's school?
praising my Savior all the day long. This is my story. This is my song, praising my Savior, praising my Savior, praising my Savior all the day long.
So we're now going home after just doing my morning errands, and I think this will be the end of my vlog, because the next part of my vlog will just be like birthday preparations, getting ready for my birthday, etc, etc. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog, and bye Z's.